Hey guys, today I want to show you how I travel lighter by carrying 3 cameras rather than 2. After I retired, I began traveling more, and I quickly realized I was packing too much of everything. Previously, I would bring along an entire backpack full of just camera equipment, a DSLR camera, 2 or 3 lenses, a tripod, external microphones, batteries, etc. My goal was to get everything I need for a 3-week adventure all into a small carry-on and a small backpack. Now I travel with 3 cameras. So let me show you what 3 cameras I use now when I travel. So the first camera I bring with me is this guy, the Sony RX100 Mark VII. It's a great little camera, has a flip-up screen, great for vlogging. I love it. This is the perfect lightweight point-and-shoot camera for my travel needs. On the photography side, it has a 1-inch sensor that can create photos with 20 megapixel resolution. It has Sony's outstanding auto and follow focus technology, which is important for the solo traveler who often must capture images of themselves in different circumstances. One of my favorite features of this camera is it has a 24 to 200 millimeter zoom lens with image stabilization. On the video side, it does 4K video in 24 or 30 frames per second, which is sufficient for my needs. This camera also has image stabilization in video, but it's only moderately effective for walking vlog style or run and gun. In those situations, I use the second camera in my bag, which I'll get around to in a moment. Overall, I've been extremely pleased with the Sony RX100. It's truly a pocket camera, and I've never hesitated to bring it along on daily outings while traveling. Okay, now on to the second camera in my travel arsenal. This is the GoPro 11 Black. I've had this camera for a couple years now and I love it. Again, this camera is very light and extremely durable. On the photography side, it captures photos at 27 megapixels, but I don't usually use it for photography as it has only one relatively wide lens. But as you can see, the photos are not bad. On the video side, its wide lens and very good image stabilization makes it a suitable outdoor vlog camera and action camera. Also, it is waterproof up to 33 feet or 10 meters. I often travel to places with beaches and have used it many times in the water and just love that flexibility. This is a versatile camera that I use in a variety of travel scenarios. I even put a GoPro on a selfie stick to mimic a drone shot. And I've mounted it to the top of my car to get some good road shots. Overall, the GoPro 11 has been a workhorse camera for me and is always in my travel bag. The last camera in my travel arsenal is one which I always have with me. It's also my phone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro. It takes photos up to 48 megapixels in resolution and 4K video in 24, 25, 30, or 60 frames per second. And it has 3 different cameras built into it. The main camera has a fairly wide lens equivalent to about 24 millimeters. Then there's the ultra-wide lens, which is equivalent to about a 13 millimeter lens. Then there's the telephoto lens, which can reach up to the equivalent of a 77 millimeter lens. I'm calling them lenses, but they are actually 3 different cameras with separate sensors. Together, they offer a decent zoom range for both photos and video. With these 3 cameras, I've reduced the size and weight of my travel gear, and I end up getting more images and video because they are always with me. I can fit all 3 with accessories into a small sling pack for my daily outings while traveling. Stay tuned for a future video where I will go over some of the lightweight accessories that I bring along to enhance the output of these cameras. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment about what gear you bring along on your travels. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.